Hello everyone. 100 days ago, another war started. Yes, between Israel and Hamas, and it's still going. Yeah, 100 days. Cannot believe this. In 2024. In today's newspaper of Monday, January the 15th, 2024. Yes, it's today, Blue Monday. We have already solved one puzzle of the 3-star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, regular puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and binary. And in the evening, I've showed you earlier, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me continue with this one, the 4-star Sudoku number 7802. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, shocking information. 27 printed digits. One more than the previous Sudoku. This one has 3 stars. This one has 4 stars. 27 should be a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. Or is this a 1-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, only place level the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6 are right. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only place level 1 should be there. The 1 in the third row, the 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1. And I cannot continue with 1 now. I need to wait. How about? Need an 8 here. Yeah. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Alright. Well, in this column we need a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3 because we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in the second column could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, only place level the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in third row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level of the 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in the middle row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level of the 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the third row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. We have 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright, 2, 2. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 4, a should be there. 2 missing numbers in, oh wait, 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. Alright. Okay. How about? Let me see. Ooh. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2, 2. I need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then, let me see. 1. Well, need a 1 here. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 and 8, we already have a 2 now in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5 and 8, we have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. What the 9s? Nope. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Then. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the third column? So the column between the second column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now in the last row, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left the 4 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. Finishing 11 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Cannot believe this. 11 minutes. Well. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. But we solved it again. And I like this one, yes. Wrong indication, but I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.